Mean it! Not recording. There you go. What the frig, man? What the hell is it?
Go get it.
Is it nipples? Look! There's a nipple!
How are we doing this?
Tasty thing! Oh, my mom's gonna
You
yell.
want me to get?
These balls grass!
What do you want me
You go get it, but you're gonna get a big bag. I can't carry.
Okay. Get a big bag and 20 of those things. 20 cans of nipples. Cat food.
I fucking get pissed.
I can't help it.
Stop it!
Nipples?
I don't care, David. You know,
I'm just a little
it's
out of it.
pissing me off. I don't care why you're out of it.
Don't scream in my ear.
Well, I am going to until you stop.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cat food. Cat food, cat litter. Okay. Now get
Cat thistle!
cat
Don't
food.
forget the nipples!
No, I won't get any cans of those.
I'm gonna get pissed. I mean it, Katie. I appreciate it. Stop.
I'm having fun. Stop
I
making
will be right back.
Stop
Yeah.
ruining the
Teasing me
melon.
and getting me mad.
Take me a minute to
That's
get those,
nice.
Davis, okay?
I like nipples. Yes, I do. Nipples. I think